I went back alone. At midnight, the house loomed in the moonlight, its door wide open now. I had no plan, just a flashlight and a crowbar. The air felt thick, like it was pushing me toward the entrance. I stepped inside. The air inside was cold, wet, like a cave. My flashlight flickered, catching glimpses of old furniture, covered in dust but untouched by time. The floor creaked under me, but it wasn't my steps. It was the house, shifting, breathing, watching. Then I saw it. A mirror, reflecting not me, but them, shadowy figures, watching.